Yes, welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. This is our session to conclude our conversation in the last two segments before. So, who wants to give a conclusion for tonight?
Okay, maybe Mika.
Yes.
Okay, so actually, guys, I will reminder you. I wanna say not only can it be celebration, but we can change about the environment, not only to celebration, and also I think you can, if you want to understand about environment, you can join about a community and so on and so far, and yeah, even if it is hard, but if you join, you can know about anything about especially in environment. That is why I think it is the solve about this case. I think it is conclusion from Mika.
Oh, so now we want to give
maybe
additional
a bit information about BPEC. So basically, we are going to do open recruitment. So for the people outside there,
It's very sudden.
Why you said it so?
So
you
just join
you
us.
may say this in the last session, maybe.
Okay, sure.
I asked you actually what's the conclusion about our topic,
Okay,
the
sorry.
environmental day and the ocean day.
Okay, yeah.
What's wrong with
Okay, please focus, please.
Okay, to me, yeah. So to give like improvement in our environmental, because now it's really an urgency for us, because there are a lot of air pollution and also damage in certain areas in certain region in Indonesia, for example. So maybe because this is really hard movement for us, maybe we can help our people, our friends outside there that tried or struggled so hard to increase the awareness of the people. So it is better for us to help them by fixing our lifestyle itself. So we can start like using reusable things, or we can decrease the use of electricity, and also we have to avoid the things that is really waste certain things like water and etc. So
Yes.
start from yourself. I think that's all.
So yes, but for me, the simple thing you can do to save our world, and beside you celebrate the environmental day and also the ocean day, is do not waste anything.
That's so true.
Not
That's
waste
true.
energy, electricity, water, food, and also do not waste your money.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Quote of the day.
Couldn't agree more.
Where's your money, guys?
So guys, tonight also we have how to say, this is the sentence correction.
Oh. We have,
So welcome to the
Master Robin
sentence
was here.
correction. Yay!
Yay! It's a new session that we have.
Yes, this we just make for tonight.
Yeah, just for you guys.
Yes.
have soup.
So we want to make corrections from the sentence that we've been talking before.
Yeah, this whole time.
Yes, this
That's
whole
so true.
time. So because we have expert here.
Ooh, not expert.
No, we just want to sharing. Yeah? We just
That's
want
so
to
true.
share the knowledge about English.
Yeah.
So, I hope it's also can be useful for you.
Okay.
So, start from you, maybe Mr. Daddy.
Okay, so thank you so much. But first of all, I would like to say that the discussion is really, really good. That all of you guys are very understandable. So so the mistakes that you just did is
What's that?
very, very little. It's just
Oh, yeah.
almost nothing. It's real hard to
Wow.
pick
Keep
up
paying
what's
attention
mistake. Yeah.
to us from the first hour
Okay,
in the first segment.
I just want to say that I'm not expert, but I'm just knowing a little bit better. Okay, so some of you did several mistakes, like when we're trying to use plural noun, like more than one thing, we should use s in the end of the noun. Like several, for example, like several activity, instead of saying several activity, we have to say several activities. Because it's
yes.
plural, so putting E and S there.
So
Yeah, because several means more than one. So activity is supposed to be activities, several activities. In the same way with when you say one of the oldest community. When you say one of, it means that the community is more than one too.
Oh, yeah.
So we have to say one of the oldest communities.
Oh.
So there are more than
I
one
didn't know
oldest communities in here.
Yes,
Or we can
yes.
say one of the people, not one of the person.
yes.
It means that there is
Yeah.
more than one there.
Yeah, yeah,
lebih.
And when you want to say you may confuse, now that's actually a little bit wrong. You may add be there. You may be confused with
Confused.
at there. It's participle. So you may look up in the grammar book. It's participle. It means that you're confused. When you say you may be confusing, it means you confuse people.
Oh, you may be confusing. It's
Yeah.
incorrect.
Incorrect. But when you say you
Incorrect.
are confused, you say you may be confused or I am confused using a ed there. That's participle.
Confused.
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 It's also the same way when you say it conduct. So when we say things doing something, we say it is conducted.
Conducted.
Yeah, so that's the thing. And you should to know it's actually also incorrect. We
You
don't
should know.
Yeah, we don't use to in model auxiliaries like should, must, may, can, and a lot of things. So you just say you should know without to. You may know. You can do or something. You don't say you can to do because that's so weird and
Yes, yes.
But even though it's understandable, it's still incorrect. And when you also say it's very it's supposed to be it's very interesting. It's also
Interesting.
participle. It means
Okay.
that something is
Is that me saying that?
I don't know. Someone say that it's anonymous. I'm not going to say who said that. It's anonymous. You guys can
forgot.
replay it
I
back
forgot my
and-
mistake
yeah.
too.
You may watch it over and over again and find out who did it. Yeah. And also one of you said people throwing their trashes. Yeah, it's supposed to be people throw their trashes or people are throwing their trashes.
Oh.
So it's just a
Throwing.
part of simple present tense or present continuous tense. It's the tenses grammar. Yeah, I think that's all
Yes.
for the correction. I hope
Yeah.
it can be a new insight for you guys to
Yes.
use in your sentence. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe want to give a response to
Responsible
maybe a
what?
compliment for Mr.
What?
D.
I need a compliment. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think the things that has been shared by our brothers, Kak Dede, it's really useful for us because it can increase our knowledge and also especially for the grammar itself because it can be useful later on. For example, like taking TOEFL or IELTS test. Yeah, that's most likely beneficial for us.
Okay. Well, thank you for the corrections.
Yes, thank you so
And-
much.
Thank you so much.
Well, we have the last session after this.
Ooh.
And for you smart listener, get ready to hear our idioms, vocabularies,
That's so
and also
true.
expression that we will share to you in the next segment. So don't go anywhere.